A year since former Odessa police officer Barry Cooper set up a fake drug house to sting the Odessa Police Department on his reality show KopBuster.
Today, the family that hired Cooper and his crew to set up the sting are getting what they want, another hearing for their daughter, Yolanda Madden. CBS7's Jordan Reagan sat in on this morning's hearing. He joins us now live in the newsroom with what happened in court today. Jordan?
Yolanda Madden was arrested and convicted of federal drug charges in 2005, but her family says the drugs were planted and they've got evidence to prove it. Today, they got their chance to present some of that evidence in an evidentiary hearing in federal court in Midland. Last year, KopBuster's Barry Cooper set out to show that the Odessa Police Department obtained search warrants illegally. But he also wanted to raise publicity for what Yolanda Madden's family says is a wrongful conviction.
I'm excited that we had a hand in getting Yolanda to this point, but I'm bitter of the pain that this has caused Yolanda and her kids and her family, so it's bittersweet to me.
Many in attendance hoped today's hearing would change things for the Madden family, but a decision has yet to be reached.
I'm not happy with the hearing today because I fully expected Yolanda to be released today to go back to her kids and family for Thanksgiving.
For some family members, it was their first time to see Yolanda in quite a while.
Her family's in there, her grandmother's in there, her kids are in there, and she comes in there shackled like a dog. That's absolutely uncalled for.
She testified today, along with two of the police officers who the family says intentionally framed Yolanda for her possession charges. But the judge made it clear that the purpose of today's hearing was only to take a second look at the evidence that could have changed the outcome of the original trial.
I think they went as well as we could expect. The judge limited us to a very, very small part of a 2255 hearing.
They presented some of the forms from the booking phase of Yolanda's arrest, which they say were tampered with and shouldn't hold up in the court of law.
If we'd had some information that we didn't have at that time, and there was a lot of information we did not get from the prosecution, if we'd had that information, would the trial have been different? The answer to that is absolutely it would have been different.
There was no ruling made in the hearing today. The judge asked the defense attorneys to submit a closing brief by next Friday and the government representation to present theirs a week later. From there, the judge will decide whether or not the evidence is strong enough to warrant a retrial for Yolanda Madden. For now, reporting in the newsroom, Jordan Reagan, CBS 7 News.